How to remove Instagram account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your Instagram account from other devices, open up Instagram here. Once you launch Instagram, tap your profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, then just go to the option here known as Account Center. And once you go to the option called Account Center, you will see all this interface where what you can do is, first way you can actually remove everyone from your device is if you change your password. So you can tap the change password option here, tap on your Instagram button, and then just make sure to enter your current password and enter the new password to change to, and you will get successfully logged out of those. Now if you want to review the devices manually, you can tap the where you are logged in option here, and once done just tap on this particular option, and then from there you should be able to go ahead and then review the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account, and then just tap the logout option in order to log out of those devices. This way you will be able to remove your Instagram from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.